I keep hearing never underestimate a farmer with a tractor who was born in May. Shirt that. I'm going to feel so strange if I travel and find out that we have an ungodly amount of squirrels here. It's more like they're common squirrels. Like red squirrels in Europe. Are shy, timid, and often not even really visible because they usually just run away at the first sight of humans. In comparison, North American gray squirrels are. Never underestimate a farmer with a tractor who was born in May. Shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. University squirrels are the boldest motherfuckers I've ever met. They'll literally climb up your pants to grab a nut from your hand. It's impressive. The University of Never underestimate a farmer with a tractor who was born in May. Shirt, Illinois. Urbana back in 1996-ish. Sat down on a bench of the quad to read the paper and eat a muffin. Motherfucker climbed onto the paper on my lap, sat down, and begged like a golden other product.